The Magnifica Evo allows us to dispense hot water and also to create steam. And to do so, we use this dial here. On both operations, we need to make sure when turning the dial, we hit this point. I'll show you on the hot water setting. If I move this dial, it will then actually stop here, and at that point nothing will happen. I need to make sure that I actually click it and the operation starts. This will be exactly the same for when I'm doing steam. If the actual dial only hits here, there'll be no steam that comes out. We have to make sure it hits here, and I'll show you how that works. Open the valve. People think that's fully opened. We need to open it to here. This point will not work. It has to be to this point.